Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Lecture 1, Primitive DS. It seems like you might be referring to primitive data structures, DS. In computer science, primitive data structures refer to basic data structures that are the simplest and most fundamental. These data structures are used to store data in a program and include 1. Integer, used to store whole numbers, e.g., -1, 0, 1, 2. 2. Float, used to store floating point numbers, e.g., 3.14, -0.001. 3. Character, used to store a single character, e.g., a, b, $. 4. Boolean, used to store true or false values. 5. Void, used to indicate a lack of data. These primitive data structures are often the building blocks for more complex data structures, such as arrays, lists, stacks, queues, trees, and graphs, which are used to solve more complex problems in computer science and programming.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.